everyone, Alexa Donne here, and today I am sharing with you a writing hack for how to make your characters more relatable, more dynamic, and make your readers care about them. And that is, you need to give your main character an I want song. This is a common convention in musical theater, and I heard, I believe, Lin-Manuel Miranda mention it, or it might have been someone on YouTube. All of the references blurred together, but once I heard it articulated in that way, I was like, of course. It's the moment early on in the musical, or for you in your first act of your book, where the main character basically declares their heart's desire, the thing that they want more than anything in the world. You want to firmly establish what your character wants so that you can then do everything in your power to put obstacles in their path for as long as possible so that they can't get what they want. And this is how you create tension and stakes, and you could develop a character arc because you want to have them want something in the beginning, and you either want them to get it and it's not what they thought, or have the opportunity to get it and they give it up because they've learned some other lessons. So you can use the want in service of character growth and what have you. Having an I want moment also just makes your character relatable and human. So often when I read books where I just don't care about the character, or I'm not feeling a sense of stakes of whatever the main thing is, it's because they didn't have that I want song moment in the beginning, and so therefore when things are happening to them, or if they kind of experience the end part of character development, so like they'll learn a lesson at the end or come to a conclusion, and I'm like, well, but this doesn't matter because I don't know where you started. You're essentially establishing a baseline for your main character, which is essential for making your reader care about the journey on which you are taking them alongside this character. Now, of course, you're literally not going to have a song in the beginning of your book where the character stands in front of the audience and belts their heart's desire. But you can come up with creative ways to have these moments. Often they're tied to the inciting incident or the beat after the inciting incident where your character has to make a choice. You just want to, display through a conversation or an action or some sort of scene exactly what it is that matters to that character, what they want, and what they could stand to lose if they don't get what they want. So that is the I want song writing hack. You got to think about what your character wants, what they care about, and be sure to get that on the page early in Act 1 so that the readers are anchored in your main character and the ride that you're going to be taking them on in your book. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It lets me know that I should make more writing hacks like this, short and sweet writing and craft tips to help you take your writing to the next level. If you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and do that now, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you know whenever I post a new video, which is 2 to 3 times a week. On this channel, I talk all about writing, craft, the industry, YA specifically being traditionally published, and of course just reading books. Let me know down below in the comments if you have any questions or what some of your favorite writing hacks are. Thank you so much for watching, and as always guys, happy writing!